Hello everyone, this is David Nguyen from iBrows Academy. In this video here, I show you how to do a new pattern for the tails. Okay, everyone ready? Alright, here I have the tail section right here, and I'm going to do the upper stroke for it right here. Okay, can everyone see? Alright, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, and on the line, just like that, right? And now we keep going. And on the line. Okay, now let's keep going here. 1 and 2 and 3 and on the line like that. Okay, so now I'm going to do an S curve for the tail section. Look, this is what I want to show you. Okay, an S curve like that. You see the S curve? And now I'm going to do an inverted one right there, and now I'm doing another inverted one right there. Look at that. What do you guys think? Okay, so as you can see here, what I want to show you here is that you see this drop right here is actually an S curve, slightly S curve, and this one here is just an inverted windy cross curve right here. You see this curve right there? The one right here is inverted. Yeah, let's go upside down like this. Okay, it's upside down. And this one here is also inverted. The one below here, this one right here is inverted. Okay, wow, look at that. What do you guys think? Alright, so basically I'm going to demonstrate that one more time. Okay, what I try to show you is the S curve right here. The S curve right here, inverted windy cross right there, and another inverted one right there. Okay, let me do it on the bigger scale right here. Okay, ready? I'm going to show you right here. Okay, S curve going down like that. You see? Inverted curve right here, very close. And now another inverted curve right there, very close. Okay, there you go. Now you have a beautiful tail. You see that? That is how I do it. Okay, wow, look at that. That's a new tail. Yeah, I just created today. You see, S curve right here, inverted windy cross, inverted windy cross right here, and now you have a nice tail. And of course you can fill in something right here if you want to. Okay, but I don't want to make it so crowded there. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Yeah, very short one, but you understand the concept. Yeah, so this is what I want to emphasize you. Okay, using the S curve for the tail, inverted windy cross on top, and inverted windy cross, and then some space right here, you can fill in more. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Wow, look at what the tails I did. Lovely, eh? $1 million tail. Thank you so much for watching. This is David Nguyen from iBrows Academy. Thank you and good night.